Hi guys, here's another one, an Indesit IDC75. That's the unit there. And this is the water reservoir. Bit of dirt inside, as you can see there. Just take this out, just empty it out. And up here, a bit messy, the reservoir tray. And just show inside here. Not too bad inside here, until you come to here. Always messy inside these. Got the fluff filter there. If you look down into the fluff filter housing, which goes down into the condenser, always fluff inside here. Probably a long nose vacuum can keep this a bit cleaner, but always seems to get messy in here. And that's the fluff filter there, or lint filter. Let me just speed this section up and show you the condenser unit. Not too bad. You can get coins and bits of pocket contents inside here, but this doesn't look too bad. Just a bit of fluff. Supposed to be cleaned once a month, but this one doesn't look too bad. And just show inside here, this is the housing for the condenser. You can see a lot of lint build up inside. You see the fan on the right hand side there. Quite a lot of lint built up inside here. Probably due to poor maintenance. That's lint there, or fluff, whichever you want to call it. And the back here, just show you the pump. Let's pull it apart. It's slightly broken, the cover. Just remove these return and feed tubes. Obviously it's disconnected from the mains. If you could just get this pump out and show you. A little bit tricky with one hand. Just show you there, got the plug disconnected. And you see here, quite a bit of a mess under here. Bit of build up in the pump and float and in the chamber. Let me just show you inside the chamber here. Float chamber, a bit messy inside there. Gotta give that a clean today. I'm just going to give it a jet blast, most of it. There you can see, just giving the lint filter housing a blast. Get rid of all that dust. You see all that fluff coming out. I'm just giving the condenser housing a blast, just the front. And this is the float chamber, give that a blast as well, and clean up all that muck off the pump. Right, now that's done, I'm going to turn to the condenser. Like I said, this one's not bad, I've seen worse. So I'll just pop it onto this chair here and just give that a blast. Get all the bits of lint and fluff out of it so it can air correctly. Just fast forward this section because it took quite a while. And you can see me just blasting it, just trying to get as much fluff as I can. And that's a lint filter or fluff filter. You can normally just clean this with a brush, soft brush. But being I've got it out, I'm just going to give it a blast with the jet wash. Get rid of all that lint. And you can see the bits of lint on the chair there. Just got to blast the other side. Okay, I've left it a couple of days to dry out. And this is the condenser. This is a seal, sponge seal. And it's dislodged slightly. You see here, it's come away from its glue. It plays an important part on the condensing. So what I'm going to do is just put a bit of super glue along the glue line, which is still there. And that should hold it. I'll just press it on, hold it in place, as this sponge seal does serve a purpose and needs to be there. Just put a bit more along the side here. It's not quite settled, not quite sat down correctly. And I'm going to glue the ends as well because they've come away as well, both ends. Just hold it down for a couple of seconds and it should hold. And you can see I've just stuck down now. So I'm going to get there's a bit of fluff around it. I'm just going to get it off with the soft brush on the vacuum, all the fluff and lint. So everything's nice and dry and clean now, so it's just about putting it all back together. That's the pump. Remember, it was filthy before. I've got it all nice and clean now. So I'm just going to reassemble it and reinsert it. Just fits into its reservoir at the back there. Just pushes in. A couple of clips holding it, but they always seem to snap off on me. And that's just the return and the feed hose. Okay, so let me just show you here. This is the condenser. Got it nice and clean here. You can see inside. And you can see inside the grills here. Nice and clean. And then this is the lint filter or the fluff filter. Just give you a little close up of that. Nice and clean also. You can usually just clean this with a brush. And let me just show you inside here. This is the housing for the lint filter. Nice and clean. I'll just show you what it looked like before. And this is what it looks like now, obviously. And let me also show you the housing for the condenser inside here. That's what it looks like now. That's what it looked like before. I'll just clean it with a cloth and some fairy liquid. Show you right down the back there. That's the condenser housing, nice and clean also. And here you can see me just refitting the condenser. Just 3 tabs and it just locks in and just close the cover. And that's the lint filter. Just give you close up there. Just put that back in its place. Goes in one way around, like so. And then that's just the reservoir. Catches all the condensed water. Just push that back in. Power it up. And shut this door in. And it seems to sound alright now. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.